From the product details page, you can easily keep track of your translation progress. First, navigate to the Edit Product Details by clicking on a product. On this page, you'll see visual progress bars indicating the completion status of translations in each active language. This helps you quickly see which translations need your attention. Click on a specific language to access the detailed translation view. Here, fields will be displayed side by side in the default language and the selected translation language. Only fields with content in the default language are eligible for translation. So if a field is empty in the default language, it won't show up for translation in other languages. This keeps things clear and focused. In this example, the French language is only translated for one field, the slug. To edit a translation, just click into the text field of the target language and make your adjustments. As an option, you can click on the Untranslated button. This will show only the fields that still need translation, allowing you to focus on completing your translations efficiently. Once all fields are translated, you'll see the progress bar turn green, indicating that all translations for this language are complete.